Well, newsflash, I just started thinking about this. Remember I told you that was cable TV wire? Well, no, that's not. They would have ran a piece of like 3-inch ABS or 4-inch ABS, put a pull string in it, and they would have ran that, telephone lines and things of that nature through that pipe. That is for the sprinkler system, because I know there's a sprinkler valve around the corner and there's 3 right over there, and so that goes along with this and it goes into the garage. Okay, but still I don't want to hit that with my hammer or with my sawzall when I'm cutting tree roots out of there and that kind of stuff. Okay, just thought I'd let you know that. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I hope this is giving you some ideas for things you can do around your yard, around your drip irrigation. I'm not calling up a sprinkler company or a landscape company to do this. They would have to do the same thing I'm doing, right? And if you've got the time and the patience and you show a little effort, you can save your hard-earned money just like Joe.